Welcome back to Drive Zone, where today we dive into the roaring return of a legend, the 2026 Camaro S454. This is the muscle car revival fans have been dreaming of. Chevy's dropping a monster under the hood, a massive 454 cubic inch V8. That brings old school fury with modern engineering. Picture this, a deep, aggressive idol that grabs your attention the moment the key turns, and a power band that lays waste to asphalt, fusing vintage thunder with 21st century precision. From the exterior, this Camaro isn't playing cute, it's bold and unapologetic. The stance is wider, hips flared, and its silhouette is a nod to its muscle car heritage, all wrapped in a sculpted body that's both retro and cutting edge. LED lighting and functional vents hint at performance while echoing Camaro's legacy. Inside, it's driver-centric with supportive sport seats, UV monitors, and a digital dash that blends analog charm with modern tech. Comfort isn't forgotten. There's air conditioning, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Brembo brakes behind massive wheels to handle the power. Now let's talk punch. That 454 Ci V8 is rumored to churn out around 650 horsepower and nearly 600 pounds-ft of torque, making 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, a time that would have turned heads decades ago and still sends shivers today. And with a quad-mode exhaust, you control the soundtrack, stealthy ride to the coffee shop in eco mode, or full-throttle growl on the open road. Mag-Ride suspension smooths things out, while optional performance packages sharpen handling for the track. Of course, mileage won't be its forte. It's a big block for big thrills. Expect mid to high teens in fuel economy, depending on how often you punch it. Prices are still unofficial, but whispers place it in the upper muscle car bracket. Reflecting its exclusivity and brute power, what makes this Camaro special is how it balances raw heritage with modern demands. It's not a retro exercise. It's the real deal, engineered to deliver a visceral experience. For hardcore enthusiasts, it's a dream realized. For newcomers, it's a statement. Muscle lives on, louder and prouder than ever. Coming soon to Drive Zone, we'll get behind that beast, test that 0 to 60 time, and push the SS 454 up the twisties and the quarter mile. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This is the rebirth of American muscle, and you won't want to miss a second.